Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is the King's Tutor. Okay, now if you can notice, this is not my normal costume because it is not a normal video. Okay, now this video is just for appreciation. I want to sincerely appreciate every one of you that have supported me in one way or the other in terms of this channel. As at when I'm shooting this now, we're on YouTube as at 1,400 subscribers. Okay, and also my TikTok followers, my Instagram followers, and also those on Twitter. I want to sincerely appreciate every one of you. I do not take this for granted. Sincerely speaking, I do not take it for granted. Okay, God sees my heart. I am highly grateful. The subscribers, the watch, those that views, those that like, those that comment. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support thus far. We started this journey by 2020 during the pandemic period, okay? And we've come thus far, okay? It is not because we can teach, it is because of also your support, okay? Thank you very much. I sincerely appreciate, okay? Thank you for your support. But one of my vision and my passion is to ensure that we get across to more students, pass knowledge to them, okay? Because applied knowledge is power. Applied knowledge is power. It is what you know that you'll be known for, okay? So that's one of my heartfelt desire, to pass knowledge to other persons that do not have more, okay? And also, in spite of the fact that we are happy where we are, we tend to want to meet other students. We have many students all over the world, okay? We have many students all over the world, and social media is a platform whereby you can reach as many aspects as possible beyond the four walls of a particular country, okay? So I want to beg, I want to beckon on you to ensure that we get across to other students. And one way you can do that is to ensure that at each time we drop a video, please like the video and also comment. Even if it's a topic that you know before now, and it's a topic whereby you feel that I've got no, there is something about that topic that probably might be refreshing to you. Okay, so in a way whereby you can support us, support what we are doing so that we can get to more students and accomplish our vision and mission, is to ensure that please just like the video and comment, and you can also as well share to other people. Okay, so that's liking and commenting ensures that platform, either TikTok, either YouTube, either Facebook, either Instagram, it ensures that the algorithm tends to show it to people that also want to see something like that. Okay, with that, you will help us so much to reach other persons. The King's Tutor, it's not only about teaching accounting or only about teaching economics or mathematics or statistics. No, it goes beyond that. Okay, so we are not remaining on that step. It goes beyond that. It is a home for knowledge, a relevant and applied knowledge. It's a home whereby as we progress, we are going to unveil different packages concerning this channel, and it will all be for knowledge, because knowledge is definitely power. Okay, applied knowledge is what? Power. So it goes beyond having probably teaching accounting or finance. No, it goes beyond that. So if you're a student of knowledge, and I know every human living should be a student of knowledge, because you should learn every day. If you're not learning every day, that means definitely you're dying or you're dead. Okay, so definitely you should subscribe. I know we have many persons that views our platform but that have not subscribed to our YouTube. Please, I want to beg you, please ensure you subscribe. If you're watching TikTok or Instagram, please ensure you go to our other platform. Or if you're on YouTube, please ensure we are on YouTube, we're on Facebook, we're on TikTok, we're on Instagram. The same name, the King's Tutor. Once you type this name at the platform, you will see us there. Okay, please. So like we said, one of the things I want you to do, ensure anytime we drop a video, if you're opportune to see it, please just like. Even if you will not watch it, like and comment, and by that you're supporting us. Okay, and another thing, should in case we drop a video, please tell us the topic you want. Tell us the particular topic you want, and we'll see a way to provide such topic. Because by doing that, our aim here is to ensure that you get value for watching. Okay, so please ensure you do that. Okay, thank you very much. And also, I want to make a suggestion, though it has been boiling in my heart to see that at intervals we come on live video beyond uploading video on live video, whereby you can see me, we can interact. That is, we can interact on different platforms, so you can ask questions that are disturbing on different aspects. The ones I can answer, I do that. The ones that will ensure that I make research before answering, I'll do that. And before you know, we get to know each other better. And who knows, whatever country you are from, who knows, there'll be a time whereby I might be coming to that country and we're having a general. So I'm seeing this as more beyond learning. I'm seeing it as you are a family. Now we are family. Okay, so ensure. Now, I want to make a suggestion. If we can be having live videos, even if it's 3 times in a week or on Sundays, probably during the night time, whereby everyone is back from their daily activities, from their school and their work and other things, whereby we can have a live video. Okay, so if you concur to that, please just drop it in the comment section. And okay, I suggest that. Okay, and also we have a WhatsApp platform. If you're not in our WhatsApp platform, just drop your number or just write it there, the King's Tutor. I want to join the WhatsApp platform, and we'll respond to you by dropping the link so that you can join. Okay, so this video, like I said, is just to appreciate you. Thank you. We have many YouTubers out there. We have many channels that do what we do, even better than we do. But you've choose to stay with us. You've choose to watch. You choose to like, subscribe, and all that. I do not take it for granted. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so till we see next video. Okay, thank you very much. Remain and stay blessed. Thank you.